Mabuhay and kamusta po sa lahat? Let me speak for Dr. Arlie Ampirio, MD. What makes IMUREGEN special as a dietary food supplement? Una, ang IMUREGEN ay walang katapat because the combination of IMUREGEN ingredients is not found elsewhere. Ang IMUREGEN lang ang merong combination of complex dietary nucleotides, the 9 essential amino acids, at meron siyang mga peptides or oligopeptides. The oligopeptides are small preformed proteins that will support the many organ tissue cell functions of our body. IMUREGEN has 118 oligopeptides. Meron din siyang vitamins and minerals. All we need to do is to read the ingredients of the other food supplements and compare. If they have the same ingredients IMUREGEN has, there is none so far. Therefore, IMUREGEN is unique because it is the only one with these ingredients. And, furthermore, what is so special about these ingredients is that they all support the DNA function, DNA stability and DNA repair. Mabuhay from Dr. Arlie Ampirio MD.